Right now we are in Grenoble. Are we not in Grenoble?
Yes,
We're in
France.
Grenoble in France. I came all the way from Geneva to, to meet my friends and to tell them, although they are already part of Kangen, we are going to turn this city upside down for energy.
Right.
So we're going to be doing a little bit of demonstration and anyway, we started already. We started the demonstration already. So we're talking about Evian, and we also have this, what is this? Valve.
Two types of water.
Yeah, two types of water. So, we just tried, this is the water that will serve us in this restaurant. And this is what we got from the water, from this one. I'm happy I came with my
Kangen water.
Kangen water, all the way from Switzerland. I
From
tell you,
Geneva.
this is what we got from it.
Welcome
It's
from Geneva.
really alkaline, really alkaline. So we'll be doing some more tests. I'll be back, and we also have some. What do you call it?
Yukon. Yay.
We have some Yukon. It's like sweet. It's very
Yukon.
nice. Can detox your system also. So we are here, and we have green tea.
Green tea, yes.
See you later. So after this.
African restaurant.
Yeah, I was just told that this water is from Robinette. This is tap water.
Tap water.
So after testing it, this is what we got from it. It's not alkaline.
This turmeric has more things than just turmeric inside.
Yeah, that's
Some other things.
a little bit, yeah.
Okay. So it's a receipt containing turmeric. And why do people take more than the normal dose? The body has a capacity to.
It's a supplement.
I know, but the capacity of the body is not the same for everyone.
It looks like you're drinking water. It doesn't have any detriment.
No, it's not about detriment. I don't want to waste it. I wanted to take it to make sure if I take 3 of them and then the body will take it to the toilet, I'm wasting. I prefer to take another tomorrow. Then I should repeat.
One is not enough. Let's get more.
Yes, I know, but you see, I prefer to take another and then show to when I'm taking, show to other people. Otherwise, how do I promote it?
Yeah, it's true.
Because I took turmeric from Romania, I'm not very good quality.
I think I still have some in the bag, some of this already loose ones, so you can.
Let's prove that I'm really taking it. So they believe it.
I know
So
you are.
this is turmeric. But I don't know for whom you make the movie, but let's open.
For the whole world.
For the whole world, okay. So it's here. It's true. I'm taking a look. Ah, good. I want to be detox. So this is a receipt from Japan. So this is a receipt from Japan, from energy company. Arigato, thank you. The arigato Japan. Like the machine. You see the machine there. That's good. They are compatible. Yeah.
You have to drink good water.
Of course. Because it's very important. Water is life.
Exactly. Your body contains minimum 75% of water. So you have to drink good water. Not
I
just
will ask
water.
for a glass. Can I have one plastic with
That's it, wrong, man. Papa, I'm glad it's here.
Now I'm going to drink some Kangen water. Can I drink a little bit of Kangen water? S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. So we're showing that it's true. Wait, but how do we trust? How do you know this is Kangen water? Well, if we look at this and then we look at
So you can take a
this,
little bit and put here.
then we put here to prove that it's true. Let's show that. So we're gonna put here before I drink. Oops, sorry. Oops. We put a little bit.
Okay.
And then he's gonna make a small demo.
let's see what we have.
Let's open. Ooh, arigato. Oh, very nice. And the difference-
Ionized.
Yes, you can see here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ionized.
It's obvious. So it was from here. You can see, and it's different than the other one. Where is the other one?
This is from Grenoble.
This is from Grenoble. This is from Grenoble, and this is Kangen water. Also from Grenoble, but electrolysis. Very intelligent. Antioxidant,
Antioxidant.
hydrogen active.
Yeah.
Very good. I need to drink it. Let's prove that I'm drinking it.
Okay.
So it was this glass. We are not changing it. Okay. Oh.
Drink good water is good for your health. It can detox your system.
It's a bit different taste, but you cannot feel the taste through the video camera. You must join one presentation one day like this. You can actually taste it. Okay, if I
Ça, vous connaissez ça, les chats là? Ça, c'est alkaline. This is alkaline.
C'est une échelle de pH.
D'accord.
Puisque le très acide, carrément
Merci beaucoup, Sylvie. Après, D'accord. je vous Ok, explique. ok. Ouais, non, mais non, mais ça va pas, non.
Yes!
Ça, la marche, on y est
Elle
comme
a
ça.
coupé?
Oui, elle est partie.
Là, cette machine.
Bon, enfin, bref, la machine, je vais juste voir comment elle marche, la machine.
Oui.
Tu branches là-dessus. Là, tu branches carrément, tu branches
Dans le robinet.
le robinet.
Sur le robinet?
Bon, ça tombe en dessous, mais ça rentre dedans. Et ça électrolyse des deux côtés de façon à produire de l'eau plus alcaline. Il faut que les microstructurés avec le système interne. Il y a carrément des plaques de.
Exactement.
Que de titane dedans, des trucs comme ça.
Ouais, mais moi, ce que je veux, c'est une machine qui tue les bactéries en Afrique. Ça. C'est ça qui m'intéresse, moi. C'est
Peut-être
pas-
que ça tue aussi, on sait
Non,
jamais.
non,
yes,
non.
yes, it's real about
Non, non.
Et,
Moi, l'eau qui
Alors,
m'intéresse,
voilà.
la machine qui
Non, mais c'est
m'intéresse,
pour montrer.
c'est pour tuer les microbes en
Yes,
dans l'eau
but
en
il-
Afrique.
il-
ça,
faut,
c'est de l'eau robinet ici.
Oui, oui.
Robinet ici. Aussi, ça c'est l'eau
Minérale.
minérale. Ici. Olivier, can you come here, please, Olivier? Thank you. So this one is here. Ça, c'est ça. Ça, c'est ça.
Another tip, the raw mineral.
This one. Evian. Evian. It's a very expensive word. So let's see. Normally, you see the chart. If the water is alkaline, it's going to be somewhere here. And if it's not alkaline, acidic, it can kill you. It can kill you. It can give you cancer after a long time.
C'est un organisme, c'est acide.
Ça c'est de l'eau là. It's tap water.
Ça donne le moyen de
It's not very nice, but it's still okay. This is better than this.
Ça.
That's it, sir. No, let's show our Kangen water. With the small one.
Celle-là, elle vient d'où?
Ça, c'est ça
Ça,
la machine.
c'est
L'eau de la machine.
Ouais, c'est l'eau de la machine.
Regarde, tu vois la différence.
C'est le différent, ça. You see? So it's very, very good for detox to have to drink this water.
C'est des trucs 2 fois plus vite.
And alkaline. Parce que comme il n'est pas alkaline, c'est acidique. Après, quand tu bois ça, il faut boire ça souvent, après il y a des...
Ça, tu utilises du soda ou du Coca-Cola ou n'importe quoi, t'as ça. C'est hyper acide.
Ouais, mais moi, le coca, c'est vraiment, voilà, si j'ai mal au ventre.
Oui, Coca c'est vraiment acidique. So, ça c'est ça.
Ah, mais l'eau du robinet est pareil que l'autre, là.
Ça,
Ouais,
ça,
c'est
c'est mieux.
là.
Ça c'est mieux.
Ça, c'est de Evian, mais.
Ah,
Mais
Bah
tu vois,
ouais, Evian, c'est mieux que Volvic. Hein. Non, Volvic, c'est vert.
parce que ça,
vert, c'est neutre, hein, de toute façon.
ça va,
Ouais,
parce
ça, c'est bleu.
que ça, il y a des, en anglais, BPA, on peut boire avec ça, et toujours BPA, après il y a beaucoup de problèmes dans la santé. On peut boire ça.
Ça, je utilise ça.
So, ça va mieux. Ça va mieux jusqu'à ça. Quand il n'y a pas ça, pourquoi ça va un petit peu, mais ça, c'est pas bon. What's the bottle? It's not very good for your health. But then, cette eau-là, il faut faire des détox, nettoyage de, oui,
D'accord.
Aussi, là, il y a de l'eau pour le visage. We call it beauty water.
Tout créé par cette machine.
Oui, c'est vrai.
Gratuite parce que tu le
Oui,
connectes
ici,
avec
il y a des pH 8.5, 9.0, 9.5. Juste, il y a des 7 lots ici. Juste après ici, il échange de l'eau. Le type de l'eau.
Sept
C'est ça.
types de l'eau.
C'est ça. C'est aussi pour les laver.
Par exemple, le nettoyage kill bacteria, c'est this.
Kill bacteria.
This kill bacteria.
Yeah.
You
Tu
can
prends de
nettoyage
l'acide
ici.
dedans, carrément tu tues les bactéries.
Bien
ici.
sûr.
Toutes les bactéries, c'est que
Ça, c'est pour le visage. Et enlever tous les. Mais, comme vous utilisez ça souvent, et enlever tous les.
Donc, lui, 55.
Ouais.
Voilà. C'est clair.
Ben, il n'a qu'à acheter ça, mettre sur le visage.
Là, maintenant, il commence maintenant. Il commence
c'est
maintenant.
bien.
Il commence maintenant.
Elle commence à
Mais
voir.
c'est tout ça. Hein?
Ok.
Merci beaucoup pour ton temps. Thank you very much. Aussi, when you cook, quand tu fais les cuisines avec, c'est vraiment différent des
Yes, very easy.